Hello, my name is Ramaseti Dirawan. I am from student of Indonesian University of Informatic and Business, and allow me to presentation my journal about designing a documentary video about the bamboo musical instrument karinding for the people of Bandung. Introduction: The karinding is Sundanese cultural heritage with significant historical and musical value, made from natural materials such as bamboo or sugar palm fronds, and play using a unique technique that produces a distinctive sound. Once used for entertainment, traditional ritual, and event pest control in rice field. Its extent is now threatened by modernization and declining interest among younger generation. The decreasing number of craftsmen and shift in the music consumption patterns have made karinding increasingly rare. This research develops a documentary film as a preservation effort, presenting its history, crafting process, and playing technique visually so that young people, especially in Bandung, can rediscover and appreciate the Karinding as part of Sundanese cultural identity. Literature review: several previous studies have discussed the importance of preserving traditional musical instruments as part of region cultural identity. According to Harnis, traditional musical instruments function not only as form of entertainment but also as medium for conveying cultural value and historical narrative. Research by Ayu and Pratama in 2019 indicates that lifestyle change and influence of modern music are the main factor behind the declining interest of younger generation in traditional music instruments, including the karinding. And research by Sari 2021 also reveals that involving cultural figures and artisans in the documentation process can enhance the authenticity and educational value of the resulting work. Therefore, utilizing documentaries as a medium for cultural education and promotion can be effective strategy for preserving traditional music instrument amid the tide of modernization. And the method, the study employs a descriptive qualitative approach using a case study method, focusing on production process of a documentary film about the karinding musical instrument. This approach was chosen as it allows the research to explore in depth the history, crafting technique, playing method, and cultural value of karinding, and the present of the finding in the form and audiovisual medium. Data collection stage, literal review, gathering information from various resources, including books, journal article, online publication, and community art archive, to understand the historical background, philosophy, and development of the Karinding. Field observation conducts in several locations in Bandung and its surrounding area that serve as centers of Karinding activities such as Karinding workshop, art studio, and cultural perform events. This observation aims to document firsthand of the process making and the playing of Karinding. In-depth interview carried out with key information including craftsmen, karinding players, and cultural preservation figure of Sundanese heritage. The interview are conducted in a semi-structured manner to maintain focus on the topic while allowing flexibility to explore the personal stories and experience of the informant. Data analysis, the data were analyzed equally by categorizing The finding into the four main focus, the history, crafting technique, playing technique, and cultural value of the Karinding. The result of this analysis were the visualized in the form of documentary that is both information and engaging for the audience. Result and discussion. The production process is carried out the three phase: pre-production, production, and post-production. And in the pre-production, developing a story concept, determining location, and planning the technical aspect of filming. Production filming using a observational and participatory documentary technique, utilizing video cameras, external microphone, and additional lighting when necessary. Post-production, editing the video, adding narration and background music, and as well making the visual adjustment reference the cultural atmosphere. The finding indicate that the Karinding documentary was able to enchant the audience knowledge and interest in Sudanese traditional music instrument when the discussion highlight the importance of perseverance through the creative media to ensure that the culture remains alive amid the development of the modern era. This is my production. I'm use a website. The name is Milanot. And right here is the script what I make, script Karinding. And this is my audio from the microphone for the video. And this is my reference video. And it is a man behind of playing Karinding. And this production, uh, my camera device is Sony Alpha 6400, and my lens is Sony 35 mm f1.8, and stabilizer is Moza Aircross S, and my phone iPhone 11. In the Pascal production, I use a CapCut application for editing, and this is my reference, and thank you.